Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your backup region on Shopify. So first, you may want to head over to your Shopify admin page and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on Markets. So currently, Philippines is our active market and we would like to change this. So we're just going to click on it. Next, beside includes, we're going to click on the pencil icon beside the country or region. Now select the backup region that you would like to change into. So say for example, we would like to change to Singapore. So just tick the box of the country that you would like to include, then click on done. Next is click on save. Next, in the left panel, click on settings. And from the general settings page, scroll down and you can see here backup region. Now that we added three additional countries and region, we can now simply click on this drop down menu. And as you can see, we can now change from these four countries. So we're going to pick Singapore. And to save changes, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!